My name is Isla. I'm 5 years old. And my school is Makota Garden. And I grew up going to be a nurse. I'm 5 years old. I school in Makota Kindergarten. I grow up, I want to be a nurse. I'm 6 years old and I'm in school in the kindergarten and I grow up, I will be priest. I'm 5 years old. I school Makota Kindergarten. I grow up. I make a nurse. Name is Samira. I'm 5 years old. I grow up. My name is Ekria. I'm 5 years old. I grow up. I want to be teacher. My name is Samaria. I'm 6 years old. I grow up. Be church. Bertha. I'm 6 years old and I want to be a doctor. My name is Trisha. I'm 5 years old. I want to be dentist. My name is Marina. I'm 5 years old. I'm in Makota Kindergarten and I grew up. I want to be a nurse. My name is Shani. I'm 6 years old. My school is in Makota Kindergarten. I grew up. I want to be a dentist. I'm Marina and I'm 12 years old. I'm schooling in Makota Kindergarten. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse. My name is Aparama. Nadia Khalid. Hi, Linda Shalini. I'm Calculation. I'm Fukuha. I'm Kikiri Setia. My name is Lily. I'm confused. I grew up police. My name is Rachel. My name is Chris. I'm computer. I grew up together. My name is Sandra. My school's name is Pretty Night. I want to work in DSP. My name is Nathan. Police.
Thank you, children. Good evening. Bulla binaka, namaste, namaskaram, salam alaikum to all the parents, guardians. Our chief guest is still not here, but other chief guests, invited guests are here. So good evening to everyone. And also good evening, children. Yes. So today we have our MC, Sister Catherine, and she will announce the program for this night in Vineyard. So, Teacher Catherine, she is a kindergarten teacher and she is running her own kindergarten. So, welcome, Sister Catherine.
Thank you. Boys, we have Mrs. Kumar is not here yet, but she's on her way. Sorry for that. Now we'll ask, we've got visitors from the police department. Can we have Carolina Batiratu to stand up? Can you come and say a few words to the parents? Thank you.
The chief guest, the invited guests, parents and guardians, and our lovely children are up here. They are waiting for this great day. On behalf of the Commissioner of Police, the officer in charge Nasinu, Station Officer Nasinu, I'm very grateful to stand before you for this great approval that we are here to come and share with you some issues regarding criminal activities before we end with this school term. Before I proceed, I would like to introduce myself. I am Woman Constable Carolina Batiratu. Currently, I'm a post officer at Tirara. You would be asking yourself why we are here. We look after the Makoi Kindergarten because I'm serving at Tirara Community Post. From the Langere Bridge right up to Wanibuku Bridge on the left hand side, we look after that area. That's why we are here, just to come and share with you some tips regarding the criminal activities. Good evening, children. Good evening, children.
Good evening, madam.
Okay, there are only 3 tips I would like to give you this evening. First of all, we are coming to the end of the school term. If you know that you are with a friend playing outside, and if you wanted to go somewhere, you need to ask your parents. Mommy, Daddy, I'm going with my friends so that they can know where you are. And the second issue, if anybody that you don't know in your family, we call them strangers. If they give you something, what you will do? Take it or not? No. Take it or not? No. If you know that you don't know anybody calling you outside from your house, you don't have to go. They are strangers. Anything can happen. Third, there are certain parts of our body not supposed to be touched by anybody you don't know in your house. First is up here, that is the breast. Second, down below, that is your private part. And the last is your bum. If you know somebody or anybody touches it, what shall you do? Tell your mother or your father. If you know that anybody that you don't know touches where you're not supposed to be touched, the breast, your private part, or the bum, you tell your mother so that it can be reported to the police immediately. For our parents today, we're supposed to be open up to our children nowadays. During the school holidays, we receive plenty reports of children as a victim. They have been victimized. Just currently at Nasini district, we received a mother has been raped. So that's why we are here, just to advise you, look after our children. These are the people who are the leader of tomorrow. These are the important people, especially mothers. We are the leading role in the family. We're supposed to be giving decision making. If you are thinking of your children going somewhere to spend their holidays, please think twice. Auna biala kata mona bari mona mos maka biti na kan na kuwa kay kanda ni tumbu maramo kanda na ebaka na leading role na mani mata buban. Na iyo na siya ni solia na luganda ala wandi di beir na luganda ala sa tigo be kanda. Ito sabi na kata mi kita wande ti ke muniti ko. Merang karo no na luganda lalay na moni kuwa. Uy sarangan na nataytay, natata. Uy na mo sa mga may impalto. Hindi menda nanumati ko na nagpula ka na luganda ala. Sa andren chati ko na pula, sa lem ko na dupote, na balat ko na nagpula ngone ala. Nang belo mani, nagtipuli ko kira na kandren sa lem ko na ngone ni ko. Sa wala ko na sireki. Ola kita ko mai tol na lugu mai na matun division. Sa tol sa lugu kami tu na lugu na kisi na monongo. Makakata na bagsawo tol sa lugu kadiwa. 37 running cases till today. I need to advise you parents. It's when during raining weather there's a drain. Please watch your children. This is an important critical dates coming ahead. It is a school holiday. We need to advise you. If something happens to these innocent people, you will be charged for the negligence. Penalty, 5 years imprisonment. Kaya kau sa kana lang kaya ka bir to na mugya prandang ti kuwa. Kaya ka sara lugu, siendo na lang ga beira na lobo si betingo, ona may kau pa ka version ay tumutubo. Ona ngay may taki ana law na negligence. Na nom si an kau ta tu na na bulan na lugyo. Kandi hindi kinabekela. Nalumusarti ko sa nitaka, ni na raw ninda na taur sarang dindi, babaksal ko sulit ko na nakal na kuwa, ni kalau ngati ko nakal na kuwa. Nakal.
Children, stand up now because there's almost 35 today. But parents, we've got a member from the ministry. So we'll ask our children to sing the national anthem before Mrs. Kumar comes. But if she won't be here till that time, we've got Mrs. Naisere with us this afternoon. Madam, thank you for your presence today. Rudy. Can we have Rudy, please? Okay. Rudy, baby, come down. Come down. Where are you? Yeah, there she come. Maybe stand up. Right. Just ask Rudy to gather Missy Naisere. stand up with our children. They'd like to sing our national anthem this afternoon. Let's run to sing. Blessing the God of nations on the eyes of our chief guest to say a few words to the parents before she'll be handing out the children's certificates. Parents who are present here this afternoon, Mrs. Kumar, the head teacher, the teachers and the students. Ms. Sambula Vinaka, good evening to one and all. Good evening, children. I'm trying to hear that. Good evening, McCoy kindergarten students. That's a bit better. Thank you. The invitation was sent out to the Permanent Secretary for Education, Mrs. Basunda Kumar, but she's away in the West. So I've been told to stand with her this afternoon. And I'm glad to be here with you, parents. My apologies for coming in a bit late this afternoon. I won't be long because I know it's past dinner time for our little ones. But I must acknowledge the hard work put in by the teachers at the McCoy Kindergarten teachers. Thank you for the teaching, thank you for the perseverance, and thank you for being honest with your duties, especially looking after the students under your charge. And I must thank your parents too. We found out that students who go through kindy, as they move into the primary level, they are much better. Students, do you know your ABC? Do you know how to count? Can you count 1 to 10? Can I hear you? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Let's give them a hand. There we go. That is the fruit of being put into a kindy before they go into primary school. And I know we've heard the budget yesterday that the fees for students will soon be looked after by the government, and we thank the government too for that. And we are looking forward that these little ones, as they move into class 1 next year, they'll be given milk. Right? So that is something to enhance their health, something that will keep them healthy, and they'll be able to go through the year. And I hope you little ones do look forward to that come 2015. And I only have 2 things to probably advise our little ones. Can you listen to me? Okay. There's a little one talking. Can you face me? Okay. First thing, when you get to class 1 next year, year 1, make sure you go to school every day. Unless you are sick, or any other conditions or situations that is beyond our control, then we do not go to school. But make sure you tell mom and dad that every school day you must go to school and be at school on time. I know we are running a program in the Ministry of Education called the Bully Ross, going to school every day. You must have seen the ad on TV. And we're giving awards to students who go to school every day and being punctual, being there before 8. So we hope that McCoy students, parents, guardians, you will be sending your students or your children to school, and they'll be in school every school day. And the other one, the second one and the last one, students. Okay, McCoy Kindy, can I have your attention, please? The second thing is to make sure you listen to your teachers in year 1 and you listen to your parents at home. Only 2 things I want to leave with you, McCoy Kindy students this afternoon or this evening. One is to go to school every school day and be there before 8 o'clock. And secondly, listen to your teachers and parents. With those words, I do hope that these students will be responsible students come 2015. And thank you, parents, for your presence here this evening. Thank you for the perseverance, and thank you for your talents, and thank you for looking after your children. We hope that you will step up next year, come 2015, when they actually enter the formal education that is going into year 1. And with those words, I do thank you, Mrs. Kumar, for the invitation to the Ministry of Education. Likewise, your teacher, for the hard work you two have put in school, and for all parents, invited guests who are here this afternoon. I do wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2015. Thank you. We are so fortunate children. We have our early childhood future. We have ECAF president is here with us. With us, Mrs. Minu Aryan. Can you stand up, please? Can you come in front? Let's do the chief guest to present it. Mrs. Aryan, she too runs Jack and Jill Kindergarten. She's been an expert for the past 36 years in early childhood. We are so fortunate to have Mrs. Aryan here with us this afternoon. Yes. No, she will give you this. Listen to your name. Say, stand up.
I come from Singatoka, but I've got this habit of saying Yandra. Nisam Bulaganaka, because I've got Kaira with me. Nisam Bulaganaka, Namaste, and hi to everybody. Hey, this is Mapui Kindergarten, come on! Each year they're growing. I don't think there'll be any end. Sky must be the limit. And thank you, host Kathy. She is wonderful. She is lovely. And I tell you what, the head teacher and the assistant and the children, but don't forget, we always say, behind the successful man, There's a woman. Okay, in this case, it's opposite, and I'm glad. Mr. Kumar. Thank you so much. You know, they don't like speeches. This morning, there were about 62 plus students. And I tell you what, 4 hours. And they kept on doing things. But I tell you, the children who are good up here, they will not sit idle for more than 5 minutes. You can see it here. You can see it here. So let's start with this, whatever they are here for, and we go ahead after that. And thank you, madam, that you are here. I expected someone else and I wasn't very happy. But I'm really elated and I'm thankful that you are here. Thank you so much. Now we can go ahead with our demands because this is the main one, vital. The early childhood education. The grounding is done here. I tell you what, if this falls, everything goes. So, ma'am, please pay attention. Very, and we know you can do it for us. Thank you so much. And Anita, keep on carrying up with your beautiful job which you have been carrying on. And also, Kathy, thank you for coming. It's just amazing to see you doing so much. You don't know what Kathy can do. Lots. And not forgetting the other teacher, McCoy Kindergarten. Everybody knows McCoy because I'm Minal and McCoy M. M squared. Woo, that's too much to handle. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
And guardians, we are now in the honor of presenting the certificates to our little ones. Actually, the names will be in alphabetical order. Auntie Marianne, do you want to kind? David Richardson. Deborah Mulitama. Epara Matamani. Isol Jazil. Kalara, Ranuge, Grace Valavanua, Jose Noshandi,
Samantha Kumar, Chochi Wengo, Joey Kawasaki, Havish Kumar, Trisha Kant, Linda Mofano, Mariva Verano, Mercedes Malau, Nathan Dodekula, Nayanta Daj, Rachel Kapua, Propolis Sumini Baligotua, Ronald Prasad, Ruby Baksey, Samuel Kapasumani, Samuel Rawapura, Shamia Prakash, Shabik Chand, Shreya Prasad, Timay Manolo Balbono, Shali Ashley,
Spirit of God.
Thank you, Madam Chief Guest. Before we go further into the program, you know, the host definitely will know. If the host is not good, the program goes So let's say together 3 cheers for Makoi Kindergarten. Ipim? 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 Get up!
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate.